What is going on, drawittoo crew? Ramny here with a brand new video for you guys, and unfortunately it is not a tutorial video. This is actually a vlog channel update video, which I do once in a while to let you guys know what is happening with the channel, what is happening with me in life in general. So the reason why I'm doing this is because there's going to be some major life changes that's going to happen to me, and I wanted you guys to be aware of it because it might disrupt the amount of videos that I get to put out there, the amount of drawing tutorials that I get to put out there. So I just wanted you guys to be aware so that you guys can be a little bit more understanding, which you guys are. You have been very understanding with me, and you guys have been very graceful and just amazing subscribers. I feel very lucky to have you. Anyway, as you guys can see, I'm not at home. I'm actually at school. This is my classroom, and this is work. This is what I do in the daytime. I am a teacher of, I don't teach art, unfortunately. There's actually somebody here who is a better art teacher than I am. Yeah, so this is my classroom. I teach English. I taught science, but yeah. Anyway, before we go into all of the life changes that's happening with me, I do want to let you guys know that I am aware of my Bahubali drawing tutorial reaching 25,000 views, and that is amazing. And I mentioned that if the video reached 25,000, that I would do a tutorial on Balaladeva, who is the villain in the Bahubali movies. I will do a tutorial on him, and that's what I'm going to do. When I have the time, I'm going to give you guys a Balaladeva drawing tutorial, and I'm very excited for it because ever since watching Bahubali, I will be honest, I have been kind of obsessed with the movie. I've watched it several times, and I've listened to the soundtrack several times already. I still listen to it, actually. It's a good, like, parts of the soundtrack is really good for going to the gym and working out, so I do listen to it from time to time still, even though I don't understand it. For those of you guys who do not know what Bahubali is, it's like this epic Indian historical fictional movie about a guy named Bahubali, or two guys named Bahubali, and I won't spoil it because I feel like you guys should watch it without any spoilers, because there's some really amazing like twists and turns, and like just the drama in the whole series is just amazing. But basically, yeah, you have the story of the father, you have the story of the son. Something happens, there's like conflict that happens in the family, betrayal, there's war movie, like it's a war movie, so you get like this epic, sweeping fight between armies, which is really cool. And you get like this 300, the movie 300, like very stylistic slow motion, like speed up slow motion kind of action, very similar to how Zack Snyder directs. So you have that, you have army fighting army, and then you have Bollywood dancing, which is amazing, and it's got all of that. Plus, it's funny. There's some funny parts to it, and it's very tragic as well. But there's also like redemption. That's the word I was looking for. It's an amazing epic. And you know what? After I record this video, I'm probably going to record another video with my thoughts on Bahubali, the movies. So definitely, if you guys want to know my thoughts on Bahubali the movie, I'm going to do a recording and I'm going to post it in my vlog channel, which I rarely use, but I think I'm going to start posting a few more videos on my vlog channel. So definitely head on over to my vlog channel for my thoughts on Bahubali. For those of you guys who have seen Bahubali, yeah, I'll put a link to my video in my vlog down in the description. And if you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel, or if you guys didn't even know that I had a vlog channel, definitely check that out. It is down in the description. So make sure you, go see Bahubali first, and then, go watch that video as well, because it's epic. Like, I hum the tune. Anyway, so yeah, Balaladeva drawing tutorial as soon as I can. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. I'm actually really excited to do it. Okay, so that's the end of that. Now, the biggest news for me is that I will be moving once again. Yes, and like I'm excited for it, but at the same time, there's so much work that needs to be done right now. This classroom I have right here, I'm only going to have for another 3 weeks, because after that, I will be moving to a different school. And yeah, so that school is like far away. It's on the other side of the city. I live here in Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm going to be teaching something different. I can't tell you guys what it is yet. I'll be teaching something different. I'll be in a different school system. And yeah, it's going to be exciting. So I'll be moving schools, but I'll also be moving houses. We're going to move from this side of the city here to that side of the city, which is very far. It's on the other side. It's like an hour to get there from here. So unfortunately, moving is very time consuming. And so I feel like that's going to be where things are going to be disrupting the YouTube channel a little bit, because what we need to do now is we need to start packing our stuff so that we are ready to move. I'll be teaching still, even though my students aren't here. They're all at home due to COVID-19. Everyone's kind of still, stuck at home. Can't really go anywhere. So yeah, that's why my classroom is empty right now, is because of COVID. But I am teaching my classes online like this using Zoom. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I'll be moving from here. I'm going to say goodbye to my students that I have now, and then I'm going to a brand new school where I teach brand new students, and it's going to be a brand new experience for me. I'm not going to be teaching art, unfortunately. Yeah, so that's that. So what's going to happen is, yeah, when I get home, all the free time that I have and all the time that I might devote to making drawing tutorials for you guys will end up being for moving. So I'll have to move. I'll have to pack my things. At the same time, like I'm still teaching. I'm still trying to teach my daughter, because my daughter is also going to school online. So I'm doing that as well. Just busy with so many other things that it's stressful. I'm stressed thinking about it right now, you guys. Moving is really stressful, and that's just my life, unfortunately, is that we move a lot. We move because we follow our career paths, and we are very lucky to be able to just get up and move. We're not tied down to anything. And that's what's great about having a YouTube channel, is that we get to, even if I move, it doesn't matter where I am, I can still make tutorial videos, right? Doesn't matter which country I am, I can make tutorial videos. Anyway, that also means that I'm going to be moving the drawittoo studio, which is my office, which is where I make my drawing tutorials. I'm going to be packing all that stuff up, and I'm going to be taking it with me to another location where there's going to be the version 3 of the drawittoo studio. Version 1 was in America. Version 2 is the one that I have right now. And then version 3 is going to be this brand new studio. And what it is basically is it's a separate room in the new house that we found. So we'll be moving all our stuff there. It's going to be a while until I get everything set up again, because we have to get, we have to get the Wi-Fi installed. We have to get, I have to put all of my desks and organize my desks, organize my toys, and all that stuff too. So it's going to take a while. So I'm going to try to make as many drawing tutorials as I can, but just know that things are going to be a little bit difficult for me. So I hope you guys I hope you guys understand. Anyway, I've been rambling for too long. I hope you guys are doing well during this COVID emergency pandemic thing that's happening around right now. I'm doing fine. I still have a job. But I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are, your families are well. And I want to thank you guys for just being super loyal to this channel, to me, and just, continuing to watch my videos and following and commenting. Even though sometimes I don't get a chance to comment back to you guys are still very loyal, and I feel very lucky to have subscribers like you. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. Go watch my Bahubali review. after this, I'll have it in the second channel. So be sure to do that. Also, like this video and subscribe if you guys haven't, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys.